today's video. This morning we are going to be focusing on the phoneme OR. Can you say that with me? OR. Ooh, it's got two letters in this phoneme. So, two letters making one sound is a digraph. That's right, two letters coming together to make one sound. And the sound these two letters are making is OR. Let's get started. Our learning intention for letters and sounds is we are learning how to use our knowledge of graphemes to write new words in a sentence. And our success criteria is we will know we are successful when we have written our sentence making appropriate spelling choices. Okay, remember the special terms we need to remember? A phoneme is a speech sound. We say and hear phonemes. Ooh, but what's the other term we need to remember? A grapheme. That's right, a grapheme is a spelling choice. The letter or letters that represent a phoneme is a grapheme. We see and write graphemes. Let's do our phase 3 sounds with our actions and voices. Remember to do it with me. Let's go. J like jelly. V like volcano. W like watch. X like fox. Y like yo-yo. Z like zebra. Z like fizz. Qu like queen. Ch like chicken. Sh like shoe. Like thumb. Like ring. A like rain. E like leak. I like night. O like goat. U like moon. U like book. R like card. O like fork. And O like fork is our phoneme of the day, or our sound of the day. Let's get started in writing some words with our sound buttons and sound bars. All right, everyone, the first word we're going to write today is the word for. How many phonemes in the word for? Not the number 4, like I went for a walk. 4. Let's count. Or 2. Can you draw 2 phoneme boxes for me? Okay, what is the first phoneme you hear in the word for? F. Well done. What's the second phoneme in for? Or. Oh, that's our digraph today. Or for. Well done. Now, boys and girls, if you can spell for, you can spell fork. Okay? Like I eat with my fork. What do you think goes on the end of for to make it fork? Is it k, c, k, k, or k, ck? F, or k? That's right, K. So what I want you to do is put another phoneme box and then I want you to put a K on the end. Look, we made the word for say fork. Wow, you are so clever. Let's do our sound buttons and sound bars now. Sound button, sound bar, sound button. You are getting too good at this. Well done, let's do another word. Okay, the next word I want you to write is the word sort. Let's count how many phonemes are in the word sort. S, or, t. How many? 3. Well done, let's draw 3 phoneme boxes. Okay, what's the first phoneme you hear in the word sort? S. S. That's right, that is the grapheme S. Well done. What's the second phoneme you hear in the word sort? S. Or. Oh, is that our digraph? It is. Well done. Write it down. S. Or. T. What's at the end? T. T. Excellent. You've written the word sort. Now, do you know where the sound buttons and sound bars go? That's right. Sound button and sound bar for our digraph OR and sound button because T is making a sound by itself. Okay, the next word we're going to do is the word born. Sound talk the word born with me. Born. How many phonemes? 3. Let's draw 3 phoneme boxes. Okay, what is the first phoneme you hear in the word born? That's right, B. Remember to write your B's around the right way. What's the second phoneme you hear in the word born? Oh, do you think that's our digraph? Me too. What's the last phoneme you hear in the word born? N. That's right, the grapheme N. Let's do our sound buttons and sound bars. We're going really, really well today. Don't forget your sound bar for the digraph. And our next word we're going to do is the word corn. How many phonemes do you think are in the word corn? 3. Let's draw 3 phoneme boxes. What's the first phoneme you hear in the word corn? Is it C or K? What do you think would look right? That's right, C. That's our digraph again. That's right, the grapheme N makes N. Let's do our sound buttons and sound bars. Sound button, sound bar, sound button. Well done. Now it's time for our caption, then we're done. The caption today is, I ate corn with a fork. Okay, what do we need to remember at the start of our sentence? Our capital letter. So we need to put capital I right here, capital I. I ate. Ate is a bit of a tricky word. Let me show you how to spell ate. It's got A, T, E. We've got a split digraph there. Ate. I ate corn, there's our digraph, and I ate corn with it. Oh look, TH digraph. Awesome. I ate corn with a fork. Sound talk it as we write it. There's our digraph. K at the end, remember? And a full stop. Well done. Let's do our sound buttons and CVCs. How did you go, everyone? I'm so proud of you. Thank you for doing this with me. Thank you for doing this with me. I hope you learned lots. Watching today's video, everyone. Frankie and me hope you have a lovely day, and we'll see you in our next one.